Hello children, how are you all? Hope all of you are fine and doing good. Writing the homework, completing it and sending to your teacher. Very good children. So children, before starting today's class, I want to uh, revise the previous class topic. That is, we learned grammar in the previous topic. Yes, we learned simple present, simple past and simple future tense. We learnt about tenses, what are tenses, what are these three types of tenses, and we saw so many examples. Yes, and we also solved the exercise. Yes, so let us start with today's class with vocabulary. Okay, children, let us start the class. So children, let us start with vocabulary. Vocabulary on page number 33. So in this we are going to learn about professions, different professions. In the story you read about people who do various kinds of job to earn their living. For example, farmer, butcher, baker. Okay, we have seen different professions were there. Yes, professions means the people who work. Okay. Now complete the crossword using the clues given. Now you have to complete this crossword with the clues which is there in the right hand side. Okay. So see it here. Children, the crossword is cross and down. So downwards and cross both are there. So in that let us see the fourth one. Fourth across. Okay. Fourth across. Someone whose job is to make sure that the players in the game follow the rules. So who is that person? Yes, it is referee. So it is REFEREE. Okay? Okay, next. Six across. Someone who fights crime and catches those who break the law. So who is that? Who? See here, which starts with P. They have given you the first letter here. Okay. So who catches the crime? Who fights with the crime? Police. So it is POLICE. Okay. Now let us go for the next one. Down. Okay. One. Down one. Someone who works in a mill to make flour. So one is who is that who works in a mill? He is no one but miller. So first letter is given MILLER. Okay, it should match with referee there. Okay, so it is miller. Okay, second one, someone who takes care of sick or injured people in a hospital. So who is that? One is doctor and other one is nurse. So two down you can see the first word is N. So N is nothing but nurse. NURSE. You have got referee R here, right? So you have to write only NURSE. Okay. Now third one, a special kind of doctor who checks and treats teeth. Who is that? Teeth? Yes, exactly. Dentist. So it is DENTIST. Dentist. Fifth one, someone whose job is to put out fires. Who is that? They have given the picture also there. Who is that? Firefighter. Say here 5 down. It is F they have given and they have given E also here in between. So it is firefighter. 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 So now children here we know the parts of speech, right? Verb, noun, verb, adjectives. These three parts of speech we'll use for this children. Okay, we have studied what are parts of speech. Now let us use them here. So B, main, fill in the blanks in each pair of sentence with the given words from the story. You must have to change the form of some of the words. Okay, they have given the words in the box. You have to change them according to, you can see their first one, Jack worked at the farm. So it is verb. So here you know that work is a verb and ed they have added, so it is past tense. So Jack worked at the farm. So it is verb here. I have work to finish. So here work is noun. So they have given in the bracket, it should be noun. So the work noun here, here the noun is, work is noun here. Okay. Second one, the spinning wheel dash round and round. So it should be verb. They have given in the bracket. So what is that? Turned. T-U-R-N-E-D. Turned. Turned is a verb, children. Ronita, it's your dash to collect the copies today. So it should be noun there. So it is turn. So it is only T-U-R-N, turn. Third one, the little girl dash her way in the forest. So here it should be verb. So it is lost. Only lost. L-O-S-T, lost. Okay. Next one, the police found the dash bag. So here it should be adjective, children. Okay. Here lost is also an adjective. Okay. L-O-S-T. So here also you will write only L-O-S-T. Clear? Fourth one, Sony is a dash friend of mine. So here it should be an adjective. So it is dear. Yes, dear is an adjective here. So we will use dear. D-E-A-R. Hello. Dash, how was your day at school? So hello, dear. D-E-A-R. Dear, how was your day at school? So it is noun here. Fifth one, these new shoes don't dash me. So it should be verb here. So what is the word from the box? Fit. Exactly. Only fit. F-I-T. Fit. Okay. Next, is Rahul fit enough to play now? So here fit is adjective, children. Okay. Sixth one, Rajni dashed to help her friend with her craft project. So it should be verb. So it is promised. P-R-O-M-I-S-E-D. Promised. So next one, please do not break your promise. Only promise. Okay. Here promise is noun, children. Clear?
Here are silent letters. B. Doubt. Debt. Subtle. E. Europe. Pigeon. None. C. Quickly. Shock. Check. Acknowledge. Quack. G. Assign. Design. Benign. Align. Sign. Resign. D. Badge. edge, sledge, bridge, ridge, hedge, H, rhyme, hour, honest, Delhi, echo, K, no, night, knife, not, knock, L, behalf, chalk, calf, calm, balm, should, could, P, cupboard, receipt, pneumonia, R, short, form, part, W, right, so, wrong, bowl, wrap. Words which end with tion or shun. Nation, station, notion, motion, emotion, caution,
For more entertainment, log on and subscribe to www.youtube.com/VenusKidsWorld.
So children, now you saw the video on silent letters. You saw we have so many silent letters in English. Yes, they are present in the spelling, but they are not pronounced. Okay, same way here you can see in the pronunciation skill study pronunciation. Listen to the words and repeat them as you listen. Circle the silent letter in each word. Write them in the correct column in the table on the next page. Then say the words loud with the correct pronunciation. Now here children, they have given about 12 words. Okay, and in the next page can you see they have given the table also, wherein they have made columns like silent G, silent K, silent L, silent N. So you have to select words from this previous page, 12 words. You have to see that which word will go to which box. Okay, few I will tell, remaining you will do yourself children. Like silent G, I can tell foreign. Okay, foreign is there. Yes, okay, foreign is in, yes, we have foreign there. Next one is silent K, knife. Silent L, calm. CALM, calm. CLAM, calm. Silent N, autumn. Okay, autumn. AUTUMN, autumn. Okay, children, try to do the remaining by yourself, or else later on I will send the answers also, but first you try yourself also, children. Clear? Now children, let us continue with speaking skill. Now here they are telling role playing a humorous conversation. So there is a conversation, let us listen to it. Read this conversation between a boy who saw Jack carrying a donkey on his shoulder and his friend. Okay, now let us see what is the conversation. Boy, you will never believe what I just saw. Friend, what? Go on, tell me. Boy, I just saw Jack carrying a donkey on his head. Ha 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 ha. Friend, you must be joking. Why would he do that? Boy, you know how he was making foolish mistake all the time? Oh, he makes foolish mistake all the time? Now this much is the conversation, children. Now work in pairs, role play the following situation. Now children, they are asking you to work in pairs, the role play. If we were in school, children, we would have done the role play. But since because of this COVID and we are not able to go to school, so here I will give you an idea how to do this. Okay, now they have given here two options. This one is Jack carrying a cheese on his head, and the second one is Jack carrying a jar of milk in his pocket. The milk is spilling out of the jar. Now children, you will take any one of these two. Okay, any one of these two incident, and you will make a call to any of your friend. You will call on the phone. Okay, and ask your parents to record your voice. So with the friend you will exchange the dialogues like this, like a boy and a friend. Like maybe you are a boy or a girl, you will tell one dialogue and your friend will also tell one dialogue. So first both of you prepare yourself and then talk over the phone, record it, and you will send it to me. Okay, you will send it to your teacher, English teacher. Clear? So you will take only one situation, that it can be he's carrying a cheese on his head or Jack carrying a jar of milk in his pocket. Okay, any one you will take. You will talk with your friend over the phone. First write down the dialogues, exchange both of you, and then talk over the phone, record it and send it to your teacher. Clear, children? And you can use these useful words and phrases like, but why? Oh yes, how silly. I couldn't stop laughing. What happened next? Let's ask him. You can use these words also, children. Now children, writing. Now look at the picture and complete the story using the hints given in the box. Now it is a picture composition, children. You have to see the picture and guess the story. Okay. Now they have given you 6 pictures here. Now you have to guess the story. They have given the hints also here. 3 thieves made a plan to steal the goat. Next one, each asked him a question. Is the animal a dog, donkey, or a calf? The man thought it was a ghost. Ran away, leaving the animal behind. Okay. Now in the next page, if you see, they have started the story. Okay. Once there lived a man in a small village. He was a simple person. One day he bought a goat from the market. He decided to carry the goat home on his shoulders. on his way back home. So from here you will see the picture and guess the story, and you will write down in the space provided there. Okay, you will make the story yourself. Okay, you can use the hints given below there. Okay, write children with the clean lucid handwriting. Take the picture and send it to your teacher. Clear, children? Okay, children, let us meet in the next class. Thank you. See you all in the next class.